What's up, guys? Welcome back to QNAP Live broadcast from our headquarters here in New Taipei. I'm Razon, and today here with us is our product manager, Christine.
Hello.
Hi, she's going to introduce us how to use the NAS for a
Mail server.
mail server, right? So let's go to the PPTs and see
Yes.
what we have. So it's using Xeams.
Yes.
The Xeams,
Thanks.
yeah. We're using the Xeams app. It's a third-party app
Yes, I'm happy.
in our QTS operating system.
Mm-hmm.
On the QNAP NAS, and what we're going to talk today is that we are going to see how Xeams integrates in the QNAP NAS and how
Yeah.
is the perfect combination, as the title says.
How to set up it.
Yeah, also how to set it up.
Mm-hmm.
And we have like how to maintain more problems when setting up an email server by yourself. This where we're going to talk what are the issues when you try to do a server by yourself,
Yeah,
right?
sure.
And we will see how to make good use of Xeams to create a mail server, how to easily set up the Xeams on the QNAP NAS, and the upgraded version for the enterprise features. More so to see the QNAP NAS features and enhance your Xeams mail server, right?
Yes.
And to see, now we will talk what would be some of the issues if you try to do it by yourself.
Okay.
Yeah? Yeah, I'll give you this.
Okay, so if you are an IT and you are an IT person and you want to set up the company mail server, so the first beginning you need to purchase additional equipment, and second one you need to set up the various competitor integration. Also, follow up, you want to maintain the mail server. So how many problems you will meet? Maybe you will mail with the virus, hackers email the mail server, also your advertisements and the spam. So also you need to maintain the host, not to drop the mail or not shut down. So everything you need to maintain the mail server is very lot of the issues. Okay. So
Here maybe we will see make good use of the Xeams to create a mail server.
yes, you can use the QNAP, the QBKG, building your own mail server with the easy step.
Okay, that's 5 million of users worldwide have
Yeah,
selected
it's a
Xeams.
big company.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's go to
And this one, and the things, it's a secure and powerful mail server for the Windows, Linux, and Mac, and other the family of Linux, and the support SNTP, POP3, and IMAP. Things including a powerful spam filter engine and eliminated up to the 99% of the junk email right out of the box. This software offers a flexible approach to the email, making it a very useful and friendly server. You can see we provide 3 models of the operation, and you also can block 99 junk message. And we have a live monitor integration with your AD and LDAP server. So next page we will introduce every feature.
okay. Let's see.
Okay, so simple to use. Xeams provide a very interactive interface, so you can create your own mail server with the QNAP NAS without coding.
So you don't have to know how to code it, right?
Yeah,
you
you
just
just
use the interface.
Yeah, you just write the direction, the information, and create it directly.
Okay.
Okay, this one, Xeams provides 3 models of operation. First one is a standalone model. It means if you don't have the mail server, you can use the list of models. So Xeams will run as the full email server in this model. And we also support the SNTP, IMAP, and the POP3 protocols.
Okay.
Second one, if you already have the mail server, so you can use the Xeams server as like a fireway. So let's think in front of your corporation mail server. So every incoming and outgoing email will be checked by the Xeams before it's forwarded the message to the actually mail server. Similarly, the
Hybrid mode.
Hybrid mode is the third one. So this is combination of the model 1 and the model 2. So
Okay.
users' inbox are created two locations, Xeams and your corporation mail server.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
So this one is block 99 of the junk message. This feature can protect your sensitive data by encrypting the email, and that cannot be viewed by anyone but the intended receptors. And consider a scenario where you are receiving the results of the body test from your doctor via the email. So this is a security email. You don't want to someone to check your email or someone to find out your results.
Yeah.
So there is no guarantee that the email was not viewed by anyone else before it reached your inbox, unless if you encrypt it. So you can see the picture. This is workflow is all incoming email. So filter, and then he will check the good email and to your server. So this is our block 99 of the junk message.
The spam filters is the one that blocks the 99% of the junk messages.
Yes.
Okay. So,
Okay. So we provided two solutions. One is user-defined rules, and second one is self-learning rules. So you can make good email environments. Okay. And next feature is a live monitor. Administrator to watch the email as arrive in the system. It can provide a very efficient and easy mode to troubleshooting incoming as well as outgoing email in the Xeams. Yeah, so you can in the monitor find out any strange situation.
yeah.
If a lot of the email coming or a lot of strange email outgoing, so you can see under this monitor.
Okay. So it monitors live for the whole situation, either by going or incoming or outgoing emails.
Yes, you can check every the account outgoing, incoming the email.
Okay.
And second one is integration with the Active Directory or LDAP server. If this is for the company use. If the company have 800 people in your company, so you have a contents server in here. So you can connect with your mail server.
Okay.
So you can add the new user quickly automatically. Also, you can reject invalid user when accepted inbounding emails.
Okay.
Also, you can confirm if an incoming email belongs to the valid user or not the invalid user. Yes.
Okay.
So next one, we will teach everyone how to set up your things on QNAP NAS with a simple step. Okay. Step 1, you just install the things on the App Center.
Okay.
And then open this app page. Step 2, you can see this information in your wizard. So you just follow the step, enter the administration email and the admin password.
Okay.
And the second one, you need to
set up a Xeams on NAS means that the models of 3 models of operations you have to choose. So you have standalone server, the spam firewall, and the hybrid mode, as you mentioned earlier.
Yes, if we don't have a server, want to building your NAS as a new server, you can choose the one standalone server.
Oh, so standalone if you don't have, okay.
And the second one, spam firewall, it means if you already have a server,
Yeah.
you want to build a server like a firewall. You can choose
protect,
to protect your read server.
And the hybrid mode, it means a combination of
1
both.
and 2,
Okay.
yes. They have a email provider in the store in the you already actually make email server and
Yeah.
also sync server.
Okay.
So step 4, you need to enter the applied domain name. If you already have a domain name, you just add it. Okay. When you finish that, and you will check all the information, SNTP, IMAP, and POP3 server information. That need to keep in mind, because if you want to connect to your mail client, you need to enter the information in your mail client.
Oh, so for the client it has to be the information also, so you can have the communication both ways.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, okay.
Okay, so we want to go see the demo now, or the what we just talked. Yeah.
I can show you how to work and how to set up your things in your QNAP NAS.
In 1, 2, 3 simple steps.
Yes, simple steps.
You want to move to the demo now?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so everyone, you can see this is the QTS, the App Center, and now we need to find out the things, because there were a lot of the.
Use the search button.
Oh yeah. You can see the install.
Oh, it's installing. Okay, so
it's 18%. Okay.
But using the App Center also, if you go from the QTS, you have the App Center there.
Yeah.
There's the App Center. By just clicking there, and then also using the search button. You can use
the search button.
Yeah.
And find things.
And find Xeams. It will find it. Also, if you use the QTS search button for Xeams, it will directly connect with the App Center. Yeah, you can find it from there also.
Okay, so you can find out this.
Yeah, it also gives you the introduction of the Xeams and all the other apps that are like there are, I don't know, a lot of apps in the App Center here. So did it download yet? Okay.
I think it's
so see. Okay.
I think that maybe it's internet's the problem, but it's okay. I can change the.
Okay, good. As we saw in the slides, we have like 4, 5 simple steps to set the Xeams.
Yeah.
So the first one, to open the install wizard. Wizard to set up the name and the password, the admin password.
Yes.
And then the second one was to continue with the installation. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So maybe network problem. Maybe we can change it to the presentation and go back.
Okay, we will come back here. Let's try.
Let me try.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we will see the upgraded version for enterprise features. So how to utilize and get access to more features for the Xeams and the NAS.
Yes.
Right? So for enterprise users, and Xeams provide more by having available and the opportunity to purchase the licenses.
Yeah.
So maybe you take this.
Okay. So Xeams provide more feature for the enterprise user. The first one is end-to-end email encryption. Second two is the cluster, but they have provide 5 free users for home, not for business. And the second one is you want to send out advertisement email. You can use the email mail merge.
Okay, so if you want to do the
then
email,
you should pay that.
You should pay for that. So you have to end-to-end email encryptions, and then clustering where you get 5 free users for the home or hobbyist, or if you are a hobbyist on the email marketing. Also for the email campaigns, if you want to run an email marketing campaign to issue for the new product services that you have, and also the mail merge. So with this one, the server is there, and probably you have email marketing opportunities with the images and the text and everything, all the information that you want to put for your company there.
Sure.
And then how do I purchase the licenses is the question. So the first would be
you need to go to the about things under the tools and click the upgrade. This is first step.
first step tools, about Xeams, and then third is upgrade.
Yeah,
right?
upgrade.
Okay, and what would be the, how do I purchase second
It's
step?
just the option of the license, because let's sell the single license or package licenses. So you just depend what you need and enter the
Quantity.
quantity. Yeah, and the next one, two is click the process.
I see.
If you choose one, but remind you, if you want to use the enterprise feature, you need to buy at least 15 license.
At least 50, okay.
Yeah, at least.
Oh,
50.
that's what it says here, like single license pack of 50 licenses. Yeah, for this one it's like.
I make up.
Yeah,
highlight.
that's it
If
highlighted.
you want to use the high labels, the enterprise feature.
Okay. And then confirm the purchase.
Yeah, you need to check everything. Yeah, you buy package and enter your payment information. You
Here is to enter the card information,
Yeah.
card holder's name, all the
credit
payment
card,
information.
yeah, with the credit card.
Also end user information there. I think it's kind of a summary. It's like the quantity. You bought one of a pack with 50
Yes.
with the information, payment information, and it's showing you the total price for the licenses purchased.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah. To move on, how do I enable these licenses? So
Yeah, if you already buy it and you want to enable, so where you can enable it, you just go into the about things under the tools, and the second one you click the modify. So you will open the information about the
Xeams.
license
licenses, yeah.
views. So you just enter the license. It's a company name and the serial number and the user count. Yeah. If you
Okay.
already buy it, they will provide about the information to you.
Okay. Okay. So you can see also which company name, serial number used.
Yeah.
Okay. So end-to-end email encryption.
This function is helping you protect your device. So if you use this feature, no one but the intended recipient should be able to open the emails. Not even the administration or junk filter email system. So if you use the email encryption, so email will get encrypted into the PDF file. This is a focus on if you offline, you also can open it. So don't worry.
Yeah.
So send out the email from the Xeams and the intermediate and then receive the SMTP. So email will stay encrypted all the way to the user.
So it will have the sender client and the recipient client at the both ends.
Yeah. So in intermediately, no one can open and see your email. So he needs the password to open the PDF file.
Okay. So we have clustering, which when we consider a scenario where you have more than one Xeams installed to filter all the junk emails. So the cluster, what is going to do is going to be spread. Is going to spread the server loading, right?
Yeah, it can.
So we have this scenario where, for example, we have three MX records to process the incoming emails.
Yes.
And then when you are running on Xeams, all the three servers that filter the junk emails, they are there, right?
Yes.
So the highest priority will be what?
In the same network, if your local area network, they will access this server. Sync server, it's the high priority. Okay, so you.
Okay, the priority is that the same network.
Yes, it can work.
Okay.
And if your master server is busy, so they will choose the secondary the sync server.
Yeah.
So you will help separate the server loading about it.
Okay. Okay, makes sense. So what we have, this was for the clustering, if we see there, if it's in the same network, for example, in a LAN.
Yeah.
So the email campaigns
And the mail
merge.
merge. So if company want to send out a lot of customized emails, you can use this feature. So you can set out the title, company title, different company title, different customer name. So you can set out, and then they will send out the customer email at once.
Okay.
And we have the monitor. You will check how many the clients view the email and reply or not, and the result in the no deliverable because their email address maybe it's
Incorrect.
not incorrect.
Yeah.
You can check all the detailed information in all this monitor. Okay. Before we go into the next topic, maybe we should go to the demo, show how to set up the
Xeams.
things.
Okay. So we go back to the demo and then we come back here.
Okay.
All right. Yeah.
Okay. So this is QTS the environment. So I open the things. So you will go into new the website. It's the things page. So begin from here, you need to enter the administration email. Okay. And he set up the admin. So you need to create your password.
Okay. This is
you need to select the server type. So just as we said, so you want to create a new mail server, you just choose one. Standalone server. Okay.
So this time we're choosing the standalone server. Okay.
So without the domain name, if you just create the email, they will automatically bring the domain name here. If you want to add a new one, you can create a new one. Okay. Next. So now we already set up the mail server.
So fast. Yeah.
So you just remember all the information about your mail server. So next time you want to connect to the mail client, so you need to this information.
So you need this information, the SMTP server, SMTP proxy, or maybe not IMAP and POP3.
Depends on you use the POP3 or IMAP. So
it depends which one.
Yeah. Okay, so we set up is completed. Now I just want to because he want to use registration for this.
The registration for
to this product.
Okay. So we have to fill in the name, the company name, the phone number, and the email again. Okay, and register.
So if you register, you can see all the control panel and use a lot of the feature in the things. Okay. So here you can see there's a cluster management, and there is a filter management, and this is the report. Report you can see every week or every monthly or every year's your email outgoing and incoming emails.
Okay.
Log. And this one is message the
repository.
Message
repository.
Yeah, see your filter all the junks and the possible junks or goods. You can set out the action here.
Okay.
This is server configurations, and it's manager your user or something. Okay, and this one is tool. Tool is about things.
Okay.
So you go into the about things, and this one is
upgrade. So this is for the licenses. That's
license purchase area.
Tools above Xeams, and then upgrades for. And as you mentioned earlier, you had highlighted the pack of 50 licenses. Okay.
If you want to upgrade the enterprise feature, click the process. And you will jump to the payment
Payment information. Yeah.
So you use the credit card, pay it, and the process, and you can get the license.
Okay. This is also quick.
So you can directly buy the license from the QNAP, the QBKG.
Okay.
Okay, so next one, if you got a license, you can modify.
Oh yeah.
And your company name, serious number, the user account, and the subject. So you can use the product. Oh, because our version is the older version, 4.3. So you want to upgrade the Xeams latest version, you can go into the here server option and check for updates.
Okay.
And
it is available or proxy there.
Yeah, practice. And you're going to upgrade.
Okay, so it will have to download it again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can upgrade to the
latest version.
Yeah, latest
we
version.
see there the loading chart here.
Yeah.
1% by now. All right.
Okay. So
I'll go back to the PPTs. All right. So we have the QNAP NAS to enhance your Xeams mail servers, like this integration, combination.
Yeah. If you use the things in QNAP NAS, you can have a lot of the software can manage your email. Yeah. So you can use the NAS file management to create email retention policy. Second one, you can use the QMail agent. It's like a mail client, and can back up your email with it. And third one is set up the remote backup, because you can't put your own email in the one NAS. You need to remit the remote
backup.
Remote backup. And four, if you want to quickly find your email, we can help you with our engines.
Okay, with our search engine.
Because if 10 years email is a lot of.
Yeah. You can find it faster if you use a search engine.
Millions of email is hard to find.
Okay.
So
the next
one. Okay. So this is detail tell you about how about email retention policy. So you use the Xeams mail server, we can sync and backup the email to the NAS.
Okay.
So in the folder, you can find the email files. So we will do the instances index. And if something happens, you can use the disaster recover to server. And the second one, you can remote backup it.
Okay, from
this is protecting your email.
Oh, okay.
It's a whole retention policy.
Okay.
And with the QMail agent. With the QMail agent, send and receive emails. So this is 3 steps to set up how to connect work with the things and the QMail agent.
Okay.
So we can import our mail server to mail client.
Okay.
So you can check your email directly in the QMail agent. Okay. So step 1, you need to create the email account first, because previous we just set up the mail server.
Okay.
We are not create account. Okay. So you need to create account first, enter the account information. And the next one, you need to go to the QMail agent, click IMAP account. So you use the IMAP protocol, import to your email account to your QMail agent.
The information that we set earlier when we set the Xeams, the same information that you said we have to remember, that's where we use it now.
Yes.
Okay.
So adding the you will finish the component. And when you set up the email account in the QMail agent, they will automatic backup all emails. And you can use the automatic download frequency set up to, you want to maybe every 3 minutes backup, or maybe 1 minute backup, or every week. Yes. It depends on you.
Okay.
And we have a happy backup sync.
Yeah,
so
it's ours. It's from in the QNAP NAS, so you can use the hybrid backup sync as a backup plan for the emails.
Yes. So here cloud, remote, local.
Okay.
And if your minions or email is hard to find, please use the Q search. He will help you find your email very quickly. So first one, you need to just install Q search, and that will do the index. So search the email, and then you find your email in your file station. You can open with the QMail agent.
Okay.
And then you can preview, reply, forward. Every application you can use. Okay. Maybe
So
we are going to
another demo
show you how to integration with the QMail agent.
with QMail agent and maybe also Q search.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
So we're in the demo.
Okay. So server configuration.
Yeah.
Going to server configuration and the manager user. Oh, it's time off, so we need to.
We have to re-log in.
Yeah, log in again.
Okay. Nice.
Okay.
Manage users. Maybe. Yeah.
Okay. So here you can add a new user. You need to add at least one user in your mail server. Okay, so maybe we can use my name.
Okay.
Okay.
Set a password
Yeah.
and then add.
Okay, so their ID already exhausted, so maybe change
it to another one. Yeah.
No, let me think.
Do you have one in mind?
Okay, use the same.
Okay.
Okay, successful query.
Okay, try mine.
Try yours. Okay.
Yeah. Double R.
Double R. Maybe you
Yeah, I'll try to write it.
You can write it directly.
I think it's this one.
Too complicated.
Yeah, I think so. It's very complicated.
It's your name.
I'll leave this password here.
Okay.
Try if this one is okay.
Oh, already successful created.
Okay, we've successfully created a user.
Oh, maybe you should again check again.
Okay.
Okay, so you can see this is my creator. This is your creator.
Okay.
So if you already have an email account, so you can go to the
QMail.
QMail agent. Oh.
So there.
It's there.
Okay. So we can integrate it with the Xeams. Okay. Alright, let's see here.
Yeah.
It's loading.
Don't worry, it can work. Just
Yeah.
Okay, choose the okay. Create an email account and click the IMAP. So this one is need to you enter the information. Maybe things. You or me. Okay. Enter.
Whichever email. Okay.
Okay, I create mine first, and then you. What's the name?
The username. So one on the left side you have the personal information, and on the right side you have the server information that you are putting there. So this one is using the IMAP server and the SMTP server with ports 143 respectively 25. So we're trying to connect now, and while this connects we see that
okay, so we already create successful.
Okay, so it's successful.
Successful, but it's
it's
slowly, so you need to wait. It's already
that might take some time.
Okay.
But anyway, we connected it with the QMail agent. It is connected through the IMAP.
Yes, you can create yours.
Let me try. Is this the same Xeams?
Xeams 1. Okay.
The same email address I wrote earlier?
Yeah. Email address.
Yeah. Oh, I'm writing. Okay, at qnap.com.
Okay.
And should be here. I don't know. Did you copy that one?
Yeah. And the
Oh,
password.
the password that I said earlier. Okay.
Okay.
It's the 3 numbers.
Okay.
I set my password.
Maybe
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, maybe. It's a demo anyway, it's fine.
Okay.
Oh, we said it.
Okay, we said it. So
Okay,
we
okay.
created the 2 accounts here.
2 accounts we have.
Yeah, 2 accounts we have.
Okay.
Xeams 1 is me, and Xeams 1 is you,
Okay.
and Xeams is what? Me. Okay, so you can select the account.
So what are we doing now is we are connecting the account.
So you can see your old email in the accumulator.
Oh, okay. So you
Yeah.
can so you can
It's just a mail server, but you need to one mail client, so you can reply and edit the email to someone.
Oh, I see directly. So
Yeah.
now okay. Okay, so we are connecting now to the QMail agent. So your QMail agent supports all the email clients like Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo Mail, and all
Yes.
the others.
Okay. So when you set up your email account, you can see your email file saved at in the file station.
Okay.
So you can see that.
So there is a folder of the QMail agent there.
You will automatically create a new folder named the QMail agent.
In the file station. Okay. When this opens, we wait and
Okay. It's very slowly. Maybe
Yeah,
it's a network problem, but it's okay.
yeah.
So we already see that. You can see admin and test QNAP, same QNAP.
Okay.
So we will build the folder to save your email file in
Okay.
here. And you can see mail. Okay, here. Because currently we have no mail, but you can see that mail
Ah,
is
there
stored
it is.
out
Okay.
by the
By
year.
Oh, yearly, as you mentioned. You can choose there to sort it out as you want to.
Yeah.
Okay. So you chose for year 2019. This is January for this month.
Yes.
Okay.
So you date.
Yeah.
Is the
Oh,
month
very nice.
date. So you can find out your January 20. You have this email. So you click to, you can open the email.
Wow.
Check. Yeah.
This is very convenient.
Yeah, and then you can reply and compose anywhere.
Okay.
Anything you can do. Yeah. You can direct the reply email.
Here, from here, you open it, you read it. If you want, you reply. If you don't want, you ignore.
Yes. Also, you can use the Q search, find email.
Oh yeah. So
Okay.
QSearch is a very powerful search engine in the QTS.
You can select the email. So your category is the email,
Yeah.
and then you can type QNAP.
QNAP.
So it will show all the QNAP.
Emails
Yeah.
related.
Contents.
It searches by content.
Contents.
Okay.
Email address. Anything. Yeah.
Okay, so if we write a longer sentence, it will find the email. Where is
Yeah.
that one? So
Because
it's QSearch.
Everyone is hard to remember
Yeah.
their topic code or something.
Yeah.
So let's just memory some
Keyword.
yeah. So use the keyword finding the email.
Search by content. QSearch integrated with the QMail agent.
Yes, it's a powerful engine for this. Okay, so this is our demo.
Demo, okay. Go back to the PPTs, maybe. Alright, so what we have next is that why there are so many ways to set up a mail server. So which one would you recommend us to choose? I mean, well, or how to choose it, what would be the benefits. Maybe you will explain in the next slides.
Okay.
Okay.
So you can see that we have a comparison table to show you our benefits. So if you set up your by yourself, you need to the cost is hardware cost. But you set up in the QNAP, you already have it. So you just use your NAS to set up the mail server. If you want 100% also third party help you, he will need charged by the traffic and the space.
Oh, I see.
Depends on how many the user do you have.
Mm-hmm.
And the third one is software and hardware expansion. Yeah. Maybe one also third party not support for this.
Okay.
Controllability. Set up by yourself and use the QNAP things is full control. But if you also maybe he will limitation about your attachment file size. Okay, so security. In your own hardware and equipment is well high security than all sources, because here the mail will store the third party and then to your server. Yeah. And file manager software. Only the QNAP NAS support it. We have a QMail agent, QSearch, and Hybrid Backup Sync help you remote backup. Okay. Maintain cost. If you set up by yourself, it's very high cost because you need a technical person to help maintain the server.
For QNAP NAS, it's low because we also provide customer support.
Yes.
Our support team is
Things help you maintain all the email.
Yeah.
So the benefits of the QNAP NAS with the things. We provide easy and simple to install mail server. You can see the demo is very quickly set up your own the mail server.
Yeah.
So second one is high privacy and security. Third, we have email retention to the remote backup server through the Hybrid Backup Sync. Four, we are flexible and expand the software and the hardware anytime.
Yeah. So I think this concludes the whole presentation of today, right?
Yeah.
These 4 benefits that we see. And to do like a short recap for today's presentation and introduction to Xeams and QNAP NAS integration, we went through how to see what is the benefits of using Xeams, how to set up Xeams first, where to get it from the App Center and install it in the QNAP NAS. And then after that we saw how to integrate it with the QMail agent as a client, and also use QSearch, an authentic search engine, a very powerful search engine from QNAP NAS, and which provides the opportunity to search by content or keyword. So this was it for today, and let's go back to the live. And I thank everyone for being here with us. I want to thank you for the presentation. And if you want to see this video and many more videos like this, please go visit our website live.qnap.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel down below here. So thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.